And what if I told you a place exists where planes and ships vanish without a trace? Imagine, if you will, a region of the Atlantic Ocean bounded by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. A seemingly innocuous stretch of sea covering roughly 500,000 square miles. This is no ordinary expanse of water, however. This is the Bermuda Triangle, a place shrouded in mystery and intrigue, a place where the boundaries between the known and the unknown blur. The Bermuda Triangle has earned its reputation as a maritime black hole. Over the years, numerous ships and aircraft have disappeared within its boundaries, leaving no trace. No wreckage, no survivors, nothing. Just the eerie silence of the deep blue sea. The first recorded incident dates back to March 1918 when the USS Cyclops, a massive fuel ship of the US Navy, set sail with a crew of 306 souls aboard. The ship left Barbados for Baltimore, but it never reached its destination. The Cyclops vanished, swallowed by the sea, leaving no trace of its passage. No distress signals were sent, no wreckage was found, and no bodies ever surfaced. It was as if the Cyclops and her crew simply ceased to exist. Over the years, theories have abounded. Some suggest the triangle is home to extraterrestrial activity. Others believe it's a portal to another dimension. Some even propose that the lost city of Atlantis lies beneath its waves, its advanced technology interfering with modern navigation systems. But these are mere speculations conjured by the human mind to make sense of the unknown. The reality is, we don't know. The Bermuda Triangle remains an enigma, a puzzle that, despite our best efforts, we've yet to solve. Over a century later, the fate of the USS Cyclops remains an unsolved maritime mystery. The Bermuda Triangle continues to defy explanation, a silent testament to the mysteries the sea still holds, a place where the known world ends and the unknown begins. It's a reminder that despite our advances, there are still places on this earth that refuse to be tamed. Places where the rules of reality seem to bend and warp, leaving us with more questions than answers. The loss of the Cyclops was just the beginning of a long series of perplexing disappearances. As we delve further into the timeline of vanishings within the Bermuda Triangle, we encounter a series of incidents that still baffle investigators to this day. One of the most infamous cases is that of Flight 19. In December of 1945, a squadron of 5 US Navy Avenger torpedo bombers embarked on a routine training mission from Florida. Led by an experienced pilot, the crew was prepared for the journey ahead. Yet in a twist of fate, none of the planes were ever seen again. The disappearance of 14 airmen, not including the 13 crew members of a search plane that also vanished, marked a chilling chapter in the Bermuda Triangle's history. The mystery deepened with the eerie absence of distress signals. These skilled pilots, trained to navigate through a wide array of challenging situations, did not send out any calls for help. Additionally, despite extensive search efforts, no wreckage of Flight 19 or the search plane has ever been found. The late 1940s saw more aviation tragedies. The Star Tiger and Star Ariel, 2 British South American Airways planes, vanished without a trace during separate flights. Once again, there were no distress signals. Once again, no wreckage was ever recovered. These incidents added 29 more names to the growing list of Bermuda Triangle victims. From these disappearances, a pattern began to emerge. Skilled pilots, well-maintained aircraft, and clear weather conditions, yet these flights ended in mystery with no signs of struggle or forewarning. This pattern, this inexplicable sequence of events, would continue to repeat itself over the next several decades. As the 1950s dawned, the Bermuda Triangle had already claimed numerous victims, but the enigma was far from over, as the infamous triangle continued to draw in planes and ships, swallowing them without a trace. The stories we've shared are but a glimpse into the dense fog of mystery that shrouds the Bermuda Triangle. As we move forward, we'll delve deeper into this enigma, exploring the modern mysteries and scientific theories that attempt to explain the unexplainable. But for now, remember this: within the Bermuda Triangle, nothing is as it seems. The Bermuda Triangle's appetite for the inexplicable didn't diminish with the passing decades. A shroud of mystery still hangs over the modern world, an enigma that has persisted for centuries, the Bermuda Triangle. Let's delve into some of the more recent disappearances that continue to baffle investigators and defy logical explanations. The SS El Faro, a cargo ship, vanished in 2015, swallowed up by the Triangle's insatiable hunger for the unexplained. This modern vessel, equipped with state-of-the-art technology and a seasoned crew, was on a routine voyage, yet it met the same fate as countless other vessels before it. The lack of a distress signal from the SSL Faro is particularly haunting. In an age where communication is instant and ubiquitous, the silence from the ship is deafening. It was as if the vessel had been plucked from the surface of the sea, leaving no trace of its existence. The suddenness of the disappearance with no warning signs is a chilling reminder of the triangle's unpredictable nature. Moreover, the extensive search and rescue operation that followed turned up no substantial evidence of what might have happened. Despite the use of advanced technology, the sea refused to yield any clues. The ship, along with its crew, had simply vanished into thin air, leaving behind a trail of questions and a void of answers. Another perplexing aspect is the weather condition at the time of the SSL Faro's disappearance. There was no severe storm or any extraordinary natural phenomenon that could have led to such a catastrophic event. It was a day like any other in the Triangle, a day that ended in an enigma. Even as we stand in the 21st century, armed with advanced technology and scientific understanding, the Bermuda Triangle remains an unsolved puzzle. Its mysteries continue to confound us, challenging our knowledge and understanding of the world. Even in the age of advanced technology, the Triangle continues to confound. As we continue to explore the unknown, the Bermuda Triangle serves as a stark reminder of the mysteries that still lie beyond our grasp. So what could be behind these mysterious disappearances? In the scientific community, skepticism is the rule, not the exception. And so it goes for the Bermuda Triangle. Many scientists question whether this region is indeed a specific danger zone. After all, the open seas are inherently unpredictable and unforgiving, with or without the added allure of a mystery. Several theories have been proposed over the years. One of the more mundane, yet plausible, explanations revolves around compass variations. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the few places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align. This could potentially confuse navigators and lead to disastrous miscalculations. Human error is another possibility. Nautical and aerial navigation is complex and depends on numerous factors. A small mistake, an oversight, a momentary lapse in judgment, any of these could lead to tragedy, especially in an environment as challenging as the open sea. Violent weather also plays a role. The Bermuda Triangle is notorious for its sudden severe storms. Combine this with the region's strong ocean currents and you've got a recipe for disaster. Then, of course, there are the more exotic theories, sea monsters for instance. While it's easy to dismiss this idea as pure fantasy, it's worth noting that our oceans remain largely unexplored. Who knows what lurks in the depths? Extraterrestrial activity is another theory that pops up now and then. Some suggest that the Bermuda Triangle might be a sort of cosmic hotspot, a wormhole, or even a UFO base. But again, these ideas, while fascinating, lack solid evidence, and so we are left with a multitude of possibilities but no definitive answers. Each theory has its merits but also its shortcomings. None can fully explain every disappearance, every strange occurrence in the Bermuda Triangle. Yet, none of these theories completely satisfy the curious mind, do they? So, where does that leave us in our understanding of the Bermuda Triangle? The Bermuda Triangle, an area stretching between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, has been a subject of intrigue and speculation for decades. Yet, despite numerous theories and investigations, the consensus among experts seems to be there is no consensus. Some scientists argue that the triangle's mysteries can be explained by natural phenomena. They point to the area's frequent severe weather patterns, the Gulf Stream's strong current, and the presence of large undersea fields of methane hydrates. These elements, they say, can create conditions that might lead to the disappearance of ships and planes. Others, however, are less inclined to attribute the triangle's enigmas to natural causes. They propose theories ranging from extraterrestrial activity to interdimensional portals, adding further layers to the mystery. In contrast to these divergent views, the US government maintains a rather definitive stance. The Bermuda Triangle does not exist. According to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, the area is not particularly hazardous compared to other parts of the ocean. They argue that the number of incidents in the Bermuda Triangle is not disproportionately high when considering the heavy maritime and aerial traffic the area sees. Moreover, the US Board on Geographic Names, which standardizes and maintains uniform geographic name usage throughout the federal government, does not recognize the Bermuda Triangle as an official name. They argue that the phenomena attributed to the triangle do not warrant a departure from the established norms of geographic classification. In spite of these official positions, the allure of the Bermuda Triangle endures. Its mysteries continue to captivate the public imagination, inspiring countless books, films, and television programs. So what can we definitively say about the Bermuda Triangle? It seems that the only certainty is uncertainty. The Bermuda Triangle remains a symbol of the unknown, a testament to the vast and unexplored depths of our world's oceans. The Bermuda Triangle, a place where the line between fact and legend remains as blurred as ever, a mystery still waiting for its solution.